Hi everyone, Dan Mascola from Moosiko here again. So after my last video, a lot of people commented that they're just going to have their students wash their hands before the class and before they start playing guitar, which is a great idea. But that got me thinking, if I have germs on my hands and then I wash my hands, then I play the guitar, what kind of transmission is going to happen then? How effective is hand washing to get rid of all the germs so it doesn't spread easily through the guitar? So we've got the UV flashlight, we've got our glow germs. Let's go test it out. Just like last time, I put a little glow germ on my hands and spread it around front and back. You can see me scraping my palms, and what I'm trying to do is get a little bit under my fingernails, which they recommend. And my dog Sophia cannot have any. Now, instead of just going directly to play guitar, I actually did a few things around the house to simulate something that was a bit more realistic. So I read a book for a few minutes. I put the dishes away. And I even played with the dog. You can see with the UV flashlight, I've already started to spread germs around the house, like on the couch, on the light switch. I got a bunch on my shorts. And there was some on the spoons from putting the dishes away and the bowls. Before washing my hands, I wanted to see how much was still left, and you can see I'm pretty well covered on both sides and under the fingernails as well. Let's go wash my hands and play some guitar. Okay, so I've just finished playing for about 2 or 3 minutes. I didn't play the same 4 chords as I did in the first video. I kind of played a bunch of stuff up and down the neck. So let's see how we did. So back under UV light, we saw no indication of glow germs on the top of the fretboard. You can see here the results from our last experiment when we didn't wash our hands. And then taking a look at the back of the neck, we also didn't see any indication of glow germ at the top of the neck, nor the bottom, near the body of the guitar. So yeah, washing your hands works really well to prevent germ spreading to the guitar, so you should probably do that. And I still have like 90% of the bottle left, so if you have any more fun ideas, please let me know in the comments.